Welcome and let's talk about Shibadoge token. Remember, so many people have been saying Shibadoge is going to be the next Shiba Inu. The word Shibadoge is actually from Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Now, Shibadoge developers actually planned if they can gain 1% of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, it will help Shibadoge to really gain a lot. Yes, this coin have actually been doing well, though Shibadoge last year gained the support of Ethereum World. Then Ethereum World invested over $7.2 million on Shibadoge, taking the market cap of Shibadoge to about $16.1 million. That was last year, and Shibadoge became the number one small cap coin on Ethereum World. But one important thing you need to understand is this: Shibadoge, when Ethereum World decided to remove their investment from Shibadoge dropped down to about $5 or $6 million market cap. Since that time, Shibadoge has been experiencing a rise and fall. Today, Shibadoge will increase, tomorrow Shibadoge will fall. Now, the market cap of Shibadoge from the beginning of January 1st, Shibadoge started gaining a lot, and the market cap hit over $36 million. That is to say, Shibadoge gained over $30 or $31 million market cap within the space of 30 days. It was amazing to see Shibadoge gaining such high market cap. And now, Shibadoge have actually dropped and lost about $3.6 million in 2 days. The market cap currently at the time of recording this is now trading at $32.6 million market cap. But for me, I think Shibadoge really tried. Shibadoge really did a lot. Right now, Shibadoge is still trading with about 16 zeros. Imagine Shibadoge deleting between 3 to 5 zeros. That simply means you will be making and you will be becoming a millionaire in dollars. Now remember, Shiba Inu created a lot of millionaires when that was between the late 2020 and 2021. Now, if Shibadoge can delete between 3 or 5 zeros, a $10 or $20 investment on Shibadoge can make you a millionaire in dollars. Now, one important thing to understand, I know it's not going to be easy. Shibadoge have a lot of work to be done. But right now they are getting massive support from top crypto exchanges. Just recently, Bitmart exchange just listed Shibadoge. Now, Hotbit are in, IndoEX are in, Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3 are in. Now, BigX are in, and we are hoping that Lbank, Crypto.com, Get.io will be listing this coin any moment from now, because Shibadoge already have actually listed these 3 top exchanges on their website, that they are working on their roadmap stage 3 to make sure that they get partnership with these 3 top exchanges. I'm hoping for this to come to pass, because it's definitely going to help Shibadoge to really increase in price. Now, if Shibadoge delete just 3 zeros, of course you'll be making about 100,000% increase in price. That is about investing just $100 will be returning over $100,000. That's a huge profit, right? Now imagine deleting between 4 or 5 zeros. You're already a millionaire. Now, Shibadoge, to me, they still need a lot of work to be done. In the area of burning, they have a lot of coins. If they can focus on burning or destroying the many coins they have, it will definitely help Shibadoge to gain a lot. But let's hope that this year becomes the best year for Shibadoge. Let's hope more wealth will be coming in to invest. Let's hope that the community will keep supporting Shibadoge and Shibadoge burning. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.